Hello, assalamualaikum. Today is very exciting day. You know, we have a chance to meet the players. Yan, cukup excited ronyo. Yan, na berarti VVIP undangan dia merumpok dengan player, whitecap player. Nampak kat terubak stadion. Dia autograph. And dia merumpok dengan player, whitecap player. Only for VVIP. Khusus VVIP. Poti perlu bangga. Oh, everybody. Undangan khusus dari UBC. Yep. We're here with the projects manager from UBC. Yeah, we arrived by the stadium 10 o'clock. Hey, bud.
Down below it.
Down below. Belahan nyan tempat main hoki. Nah, nyo stadionnya yang akan dipakai Piala Dunia tahun 2026. Ini yang kebun menempuh pengalaman lagi berarti player depan nampak. Oh, paketnya lewat jauh berujud sama ini khusus VVIP. Oh, I should say thank you to Mr. UBC. Na hockey stadion. They have a computer. That's VVIP.
How many with you?
Two.
Put all the wristbands and go towards the left here, down the path. Go to your hotel.
Wow, what an experience.
If he's help, I can help you put it on.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Right,
Finally. Finally.
Cheers.
You got a VVIP experience. Thank you, sir. Ya. Nyo berarti yang kepun karat kurung beladun ini nyo baru merumpok. I feel like important. Thank you, Mr. Mark from UBC. Yeah. Oh, I should say thank you, Mark. Oh, this nyo berarti nyo pemain ratno itamang sabi. Jadi nyo berarti pemain pintu langsung dah terus. So, check lagi truk presiden. Wow, this is stadium. They check again. Wow.
Follow down to the right there, and then Aiden will guide you further.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow, Mark. And VVIP-nya. Nyo real baby. Wow. Wow.
Sometimes they do, but it's never open.
Where's
It's
your
regular training.
Wow. Biasa, you know I double ticket. Yeah, you know I double. Sapara longdu di mayang uci. Yang pulang. Oh, free kopi. Memang VVIP. Yeah, we got free coffee. Well, enjoying the. Wow, Mark. Kopi pre, jumpa pre. Yang ini tempat hidup pemain berarti buat pemain cadangan. Tetaplah kopi. Yang kopi lepon baru pegang apa. Okey. Siap.
Mine doesn't have a. Mine doesn't have. Mine doesn't have a.
It's protected from the balls hitting the beak.
Mine doesn't have anything.
Yang spesial kopi. Mulai garing eh. Pre kopi, pre makan loh. Pre makan. Alright, ya kita mau latih pemain, baik itu tanya pemain di latihan. Ali kasih apa? Coach,
For those of you who don't know me, I'm sure there's many because I am officially new to the club, only 3 months new. So just starting my journey here with the Whitecaps, but I'm the Vice President of Ticketing Sales and Service. So a huge thank you to all of you who have been along this journey with us, whether you just started this year, you've been here since inception, or started with us in the MLS or anywhere in between. We're super fortunate to have you as our fans and our supporters, and without you, we wouldn't be where we are today. But without further ado, I would like to introduce you to our legendary head coach, Mr. Vanny.
She's just arrived and she's already VP, so imagine what she's doing too. Just big words, guys. First of all, thank you for coming. We're very happy to do the training session.
Nampaknya buah tinggal diam dulu, Pak.
Yeah.
Wow. Tengok pre berarti tekan Bajeli head coach.
Thank you, Sam.
Of course,
Head coach. Head
Yeah,
coach.
sure.
Head coach.
Thank you,
Vancouver.
Van. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope to see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Lorea, Ali. Break time. Break time. break. Ya, kita tengok pergi tengah break si ngamban. Yan. Breakfast kopi. Ali. Oli. Ali. Ya, si wave apa? Ali.
Okay, guys, listen to me. Guys in green are with Brandon.
Lihat lagi BJ melon. Katro pemain Tekken. Yeah, they all coming now.
Thank you.
He just signed Alia. He got signed by the goalie. Let you ask. Okay, yeah, and famous goalkeeper for Whitecap. Yep, nothing like it. Boom. Man. Karena nawa Whitecap practice. Tim inti dan tim cadangan. Yang 4 pre kopi Sumatera. Pagabah coach Bono nyo kopi Sumatera kopi kayo. Kopi oleh kari.
Sorry.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
thank you very much, coach, for this opportunity. Free coffee.
Yeah, free coffee. Very good coffee.
Yeah, very good
That's
coffee.
the top. That's the best coffee in the world.
Yeah,
I know.
Pemain yang top dari Scotland. Ali is here. Pak Ali yo, pemain muda terbaik Kanada.
Okay, ready?
Ali is here.
Good job, thank you.
Tim Tirodu, that's it. Ya, ibaratnya tinggal yang 4 tapi ibarat
Thank you, appreciate it.
si white.
Oh yeah. Both teams.
Canada. Ya, kali. Yeah. What of experience. Okay, sure. That's it, we done. Kabe, yang ban experience urayo. Arti mandum kali ditekan le pemain. Kajina.
Hey.
Assalamualaikum.